Welcome back to Aarambh. In this video, I am going to show you a complete demo and full code level explanation of my AI multi-camera face tracking system built with Python, OpenCV, PyQt5 and InsightFace. This system can detect face in real time across multiple cameras, recognizing non-individual, predict and add gender, and send instant alert via Telegram. Perfect for security analysis or smart monitoring system. First, I will walk you through the live demo so you can see it working in real time. Then we will deep dive into the code base where I will explain step by step how everything works from GUI to a face detection, recognition, alert, logs. End of this video, I also share a quick preview of my next upcoming project video, so stay tuned. If you are interested in AI, system security, Python development and Rust development. As always, if you find the source code link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you find it helpful. It helped me to keep creating and sharing more projects like this. Okay, first of all, we are showed how you can download and set up in your own system. Okay, first you can clone from here, copy the link, clone or download where you want to have it in your system. Then just clone and open in your VS Code. After opening VS Code, you need to go and see at some command. Here is a command how you can clone. Let's go to directory and run this command for creating a environment variable. I am not running this command because I already run it this command here. So VNV file is already installed, and after it you need to just run this command. It will activate your environment for a Python 3 project. After it you need to install all dependency like this, copy and just paste it here. I'm not running command because I already installed it. For recommendation, you need to have 3.8 Python, not any other version, otherwise give a error of some library because some library need 3.8 Python version here. Okay. After it, I show you a config.yaml file and editing. First, let's go to in config.yaml file. We open this, so you like this something, recognition, authorize. This all our configuration. I am doing a force in Telegram. I don't know Telegram for now. If I am doing false, everything is perfect. So just save this file, close. After this, you need to create a camera config.yaml file. In config folder, you just create this camera.yaml file and just copy this command. It's a downside of the file, configuration file. Just copy this command, this code. After copying, pasting this code, just close. If you have any source, and give to here source of index of camera. I have my webcam here that I giving source of webcam, and close this file. After it, is showing a make this all folders, but I am not going to make. because when I am run this application, it automatically created folder for me. For all of you also, directly you can run this. First time it takes some time to read out code and everything. All application file. After it's automatically create here folder, you can see data folder, everything. On first time it also a download. You can see on first time it's also downloading a InsightFace Buffalo and model. First time when you run this project, it is first download the InsightFace Buffalo model for you in your system. Here in model state model folder is here, you can see it downloading the model or 11 MB speed. So wait for it download. I don't know what is happening. So wait for it. The system, the Python tree is running in the background. That's why it's giving some error. Just leave it. You can see it, everything is downloaded and unchipping here and loading the model. After the model load, yeah, this is the camera view. Here the history, and you can select the other camera, stop camera, change the setting of camera and everything. Here the history view, all history will reveal here, every control. And when you have the face manager, here you can upload and add any face. I will show you everything, don't worry. And this is the alert panel. You can see here all alerts and enable screenshot or enable alert sound and everything. Okay, let's add some face here. First of all, I want to change something in my OBS. Let's take sound from here. Okay, let's go to here and check. Let's add some image of my, and let's import image. If you want to import any image, go here and import image from here. We can download. This is the image of my, and automatically take name by the image name. If I add this face added successfully. Now face automatically loads. If you now I remove my you can see it's alerting sound, everything. After you can just refresh. I need to stop the camera because otherwise this give me so many sound error. After I refresh here, you can see it give me all log. The front camera, which ID is the source, the name of the image, male, gender, how much is confident to with our face and with our face image, means here is our face image, and with my face how much confidence it have confidence 6.5% to matching this face. Okay, this is the screenshot. Our screenshot is working. You can see every time it's take a screenshot whenever it detect a face. See, here is the face. You can see everything. Okay, with name and everything. You can also select by face. There is only one face this time. Also select by this. every control, how much millisecond interval you want. Here is a alert panel. If I disable our and clear is a let first clear. If I disable screenshot, after it, when I start a camera, it just give me a data of which person detected, and there is a no screenshot. If there is a no screenshot, it show you like this. Let's disable the button of view screenshot. If there is a screenshot, you can see here when you are enable the button, and you can see a screenshot directly from here. Okay. This time there is a no screenshot, just a alert sound, and now I enable the screenshot. Let's not enable the alert sound and clear the alert. Not enable the screenshot and disable the alert sound. You can just come here and start your camera. I just removed my hand, and here just stop the camera. Okay, if I refresh, you can see it also take many screenshots, also take many data, but there is a no alert. You can see there is so many alert, but no alert sound and no screenshot. Okay, I'm creating this data. Don't want more data. Everything will set up, and you can see all of your log it here. Every log when you're running this application, every log post here you can see every log whenever screenshot data detected and everything with time, date, info or not, any error is detected. It's come here now for any not error is detected. Paper is not showing any error. Okay. Here is the data. It's a non-fail. Here is the image of my which I uploaded here. You can see all screenshot was here. How much screenshot we take it. Every screenshot is here. And this is your database file. It's not open. Okay. You configure here everything. You configure here everything. Okay. This is I actually stopped the camera because I removed my face. Here you can update the face with the latest image, face updated, or you can select the person and update it with latest image. The image will change for you, and you can update like this. And you can also delete the image like this. Yes, you also can delete the image. Here delete image successfully, delete the face. Now you can just start the camera again, and there is no alert, no sound because there is no face for now. You can see there is no screenshot it coming when I am pressing it. Okay. That's how you can manage your face management. That's how you can work with it. For now I don't have my RPT URL for now. Otherwise, I also show you how RTPS URL work. For it, you can just go in Google and search RTPS URL. Real-time streaming protocol. This real-time streaming protocol is work very fine. I also tested in somewhat else. If I just force it, and whenever I'm trying to run our Python project again, and you can see this time it not downloaded any model, it directly run, just load the model and directly run. And now there is no camera fetching shape because there is no camera running. I do show here false. Everything you can set up from the configuration file. I started the camera, there is no camera because it is false, that why it's not loading any camera for now. I just close it and you, and when I start run it again, you can see it's the model load, and every load here, this is the first model load. After you can see loaded one camera configuration. If you have multiple camera, it load the multiple camera, and the load the zero face which have no face for now. You can see here there is no face, there is no face, image is deleted, and started camera ID was 0, application started successfully, every lock is here. You can see after it the camera is working. You can change everything, it work as default, the configuration and refresh everything. This depends on you how you can solve this project. Okay, this is the demo of the project. Now I will explain you by code. Now all of you see a demo of this project. Now I explain you code by code with folder and everything. First of all, you can see a assets folder. Here it is sound with play in a background, like you can see. This is the sound with background when a face is detected on a screen. This is the logo of our, it's generated by AI actually. I not generated anything. The logo, not project. And you can now see here the configuration. You can change, you can add more cameras here with a different ID. Here is the configuration. The multi-camera face tracker is now in a version 1. It will be 0.6, and where you want to save your screenshot, this is directly. This is the non-face directory where we are save all face, which face we want to track. Okay. And now this is a database where our data SQLite data will be saved. And this is our alert sound. If you want to change sound, you can just upload a file and put any file here and change any file name with other activities and add same name with a different file, different sound effect. This is a logo file. This is log directory where you have saved every log. Okay. How much detection fraud have we? 50% of detection fraud. How much recognition detection is 6.0. Maximum base set I set 8 on a CPU. If you want to change this, you can change. My device is my CPU because I don't have now CUDA and any GPU. If you have a CUDA or GPU, you can change here directly CUDA. It will work very fast way. In CPU, you can also see in a work very fast, not taking a time for loading and just load. Your model is very fast. Okay. Here you can just enable and change your word pattern token and chat ID. It works very fine. Whenever it give you alert. Okay. Now this is the code file. Here is the main logic of our system. This is the alert system. You can just open it. Here is the class which have some variables and it data type predefined. Okay. It's our library importation. It's the alert system class created here. This alert event, actually this is event, it's data class, and this is alert system. it first load the configuration for our config file. First load the config file, and there is a alert sound in app. You can see here in app there is a alert sound when there is a sound. It is where, okay, screenshot directory where your screenshot will save your alert history. All alert history will research here, not in the database, I think so. Actually I forgot this. And alert enable is not by default. Alert is enabled. The screenshot is enabled is a by default. Telegram is a none by default. After it you can see it, Telegram enable false config.get. In config you can say here the Telegram is enabled false by default. If get is false, then the Telegram bot is true. If it comes true, then it take the board ID rate limiter. I am not reading a rate limiter here. Sorry, I am reading a rate. After a 30 screenshot, it give you again a screenshot because it's giving a screenshot in every second, every frame. This is mixture in it. Everything is in it. Now alert. Trigger alert means whenever capture and alert mode trigger, here everything was triggered. It is timestamp. Take a time of now. Screenshot path by default now. If screenshot enable, then take a screenshot path. When it captures screenshot, frame ID, everything will come here. And alert event. The alert event class you can see in front of this is the alert event class. We are filling the all data with screenshot path if not, and we are triggering log here the event screenshot path, where is the screenshot path, and alert enables. If alert enable, the just player sound. This is I think the function. This is a function in here. You can just search here is a function, a part of and the player music for this alert. After I'll see a Telegram. If Telegram is enabled, then message like the face detected and face name. If age detects it, then it give a this age. If there is a gender detection, then it give a gender detection. If which camera is detected, which camera name, how much confident is detected, and how does time spent. Which time and date and everything. A message join, then message go to a Telegram alert. It is a Telegram alert. Where is the Telegram manager? It is a manager. And the send alert, alert send, async function. It is for alert send and shutdowning the everything. Telegram bot, Telegram. Okay, now this is the play. You can see this is the capture screenshot. How you can capture screenshot and name for the saving a timestamp with name, the part of the file, and everything will be here. Receive alert, the sound sorted, and a clear alert history. Everything will clear in here. Everything you can see. This is our. There is a main function of. Init function is main, alert trigger, and sound play and capture the screenshot and save in the screenshot in data screenshot like this. Now our camera management. This is a camera management config. Our ID, name, source, enable or not with high FPS, rotation. It's a camera management system. Here you can see camera management. class I created first it. Then I created the init function where the camera detection, camera thread, top, event frame, or config everything. Okay, capture camera thread. If every camera will have a single frame, it first capture that frame and tells I'll show you everything. Camera thread means every camera in if there is a thread, the pop up the camera ID and how much time we need to join into time by default into camera ID did not stop gratefully if there is not stop gratefully. If any error while stopping the camera, it's given here. Camera ID frame Q. Every frame is saved in frame Q. From frame Q, clear of camera ID. This is clear camera. Clean up camera thread to there. Load configuration. Now this is the most important because it load your configuration part from a config camera. Okay, you can see here in config camera there is a cameras, data ID and everything of camera. If it means if enable is created by data enable, otherwise make it true. If not enable is given in here. By default we are giving the enable is true. Okay. The resolution, the path and everything after is saying the camera it loaded. You can start the camera or camera will start from here. Every event with here and camera starts. Stop on camera. Stop camera by ID. Stop camera with specific ID that we need. Stop camera with specific ID. Capture a frame from a camera. It will first init the camera source and start. If have anything is CV. It's a video capturing library with CV2. You can just I'll show you. This is CV2 library where the capturing frame of camera and everything as a live video recording or RTSP anything. It just capture a frame. It's a capture frame. It's open it. Fail to open ID with source. If there is any error while opening a camera with this source, it directly gives you error. Okay. After it's set the width and height, FPS of camera. Okay, everything. There is a camera ID now open successfully log. It means the camera is now running in background. This while if event is stop event is set. Whenever you save a stop event, camera ID refresh means any camera is stopped by that from the URL and source. It directly give you error camera ID not refresh. Okay. There is rotation, how much rotation if you want in camera. If your camera has auto rotate functionality, you can rotate from here directly and take the text. Okay. It's the camera Q. This is simply take the camera frame and set in the Q. This is try and get block if any specification, any error come. Directly throw an error and stop the camera for that. And this is the get frame from here and save the camera ID, get non-activity. Okay. So also from here, but it's what are same. Put frame in the camera. I also created function by not side. So it the outer side function. Okay. This is all frame of camera which set up here. If the camera tells us if you want to see a camera is running on, not there is any error from camera. This is the function I created for it. And this is camera, all camera tells us will save it here. This is how the camera frame step and each frame save in the cube and how it works, how the camera start and the camera stop. It is a database. Now this is database class, database ID and everything is saved here. You can see it's DB part 5 initializing DB. If there is a no DB, it just create the database for you. There is two type of database. First is face log. Every face detection is have face log. It's saved in database. Second is a non-face. If any face upload or report any update and delete everything, so related to the face is your name, is emitting with part of a face detection, everything. Okay. Log to face, log face event. Whenever you can event a face, you save it here. Everything you can see everything save it here. Get face log. Here is the with condition of so many because this is a filtered wise condition, means which camera you want, to specific for which camera you want, anything else, everything with filter wise it's running perfectly. As you can see in the demo, as filter, as non-face. If I have a non-face, you can add from here. Get non-face, every non-face get from here. Delete non-face, update non-face, everything is here. You can see. Okay, this is our database. Now this is the most important because it is the recognizing of face and detection. First of all is load the popular model, that save it in the root file. Okay. Model file you can see here, download zip with the downloaded on the first time we are running this project. After it's extract by itself, and I give you here root path for where you want to save a model. Otherwise it will take your, if you are using a window, then it will take a C drive and user folder and somewhere there it save the model and download. If you are using Linux, it will save in Ubuntu file system. If you are using Mac, it will save in a file system. It depends on it which system it's using. But I am want in here in our model folder. If I use root dot under model, it means it save everything is only here. Delete model directory file. I enabling the detection, recognizes an edge, gender and age. It means it's also detected and the gender and age is give us. This is the prepare the model, how to unit the law. If model load successfully, show you the model load successfully. If any error detection the face, it give you the face detection model load, any error have here. Load the face. First of all, you take a face path. Whenever you run the face, running the application first time, there is a no face, it not load any face. If you are running application and add a face from application, it directly load to face from here. This is the load face function. This really means it's simple as it is. As just load a face which face is name in save it in our system and its image save it in our system. Okay. This is a code. Is read the image, it load the face, it give the model. The model give is a face object. An object will save in the non-face append and everything about name and every face embedding everything. Even it detect a face in comparison with our face. How the model work, you can go and it's a face and see. It take a face, okay. It take a face image and face extract face from image. This is a function I show you later. It's a frame. Actually, this is the frame. Each MP means numpy ND array. Image come and face detected. Image and face box. It detects the face and face image. And result append the face is detected is its real face matching with us or not. Everything is set up here. Okay. This is recognition face. Face is recognition or not. Everything is set up here. How much similarity it have a face. Similarity recognition thought is maximum or less than. Then it's give alert or not. That's everything. Setup is here. Okay. You can see everything. Extract face image, everything as a non-face. If we have a non-face, age, gender detection, this is everything. Okay. I already show you Telegram thing. Now it is if you show a screenshot, I'll show you where is the screenshot. In screenshot you can see here a time, camera name, male, gender, computer, name of the person and the green outline which comes from the here in utils. Here I show you the camera detection and everything is how it pixeling the name, resizing the image and how the green alert will come here, the data of green and everything. It's everything will handled by this. And now this is the UI alert panel. You can see our alert panel, everything with loaded from here, trigger alert and everything from here. Face manager. This is a face manager system where you can upload your face. This is our Q5 button, library, update, download, delete, import, close and everything. See how the business logic work for related to UI and everything. This is the history. You can seeing the whole saved phrase, screenshot and everything. It's the main function. Main file. First of all, load everything from here. It's initializing the UI our setup menu bar. You can see in the first of all tool. If I run here, Python. Yes. This is the menu bar. The menu bar is setup is here. Setup monitor tab, monitoring tab. This means this is the monitoring tab where you can see the my face and everything. Okay, this is the monitor tab main. How the score area will depend, and this is the control tab. You can see the control tab is this is the all the control tab. The setup history tab and the face manager tab is inside the history tab load and the face manager tab with the alert panel, toggle full screen and stop camera update for update everything, processing frame, how frame processing, detection face, frame, recognizing face, face detection, unknown face on non face. If non face, it directly draw face with a like this. You can see here like this screen, this draw a screenshot and everything here. And then alert trigger. I show you alert in alert system. There is alert trigger. Then after it alert triggering sound, it draw it else it not the non face. Just throw a thing and name is unknown. So simple it is and display a frame from display, update the text of everything, face detection, close event and everything. This is the code of the main core and main UI, and now I am showing you the main.py file. Actually, first of all, let's show you the data of it, and then load configuration. It will load all configuration if there is a no path. If we create a path, if exit okay true, if create the path. Setup login, how the log is work and everything. The splash screen, if you see, whenever I am running the application, is so this screen, first of all you can see show you this screen. It means this is a fresh screen. It here. Can just close, not a control C work for it. Okay. Just show the message and everything here. It's a main function. Main function is running here. Load your configuration file, setup in login app, logger application, QR application drawing, refresh screen run, are showing the message of a screen. Applications are successfully run the main application, stop all camera function and everything. All triggered by here. Okay. This is the main code, and I show you something like you can see in code camera management or face detection. I show you, wait a minute. I show you something in face detection. You can see the image is under NumPy ND array. Okay, what is the NumPy ND array? I'll show you here. NumPy is a Python library. It's a ND array. Okay, I will look show you. There is an ND array. It look like this array. So there is array and multiple dimension array. There is a NumPy. You can see here NumPy ND array dimension. That the right word is here. NP array, n dimension array, NP array 5. You can define like this. It's have many type of array. Okay, you can see here, but here how I can pass image in a NumPy array. It's a NumPy array. It's an array. How can I pass image in NumPy array, and how the model is getting from the image of face using a NumPy array? Because whenever you can run the any image, like here is a image. This image, the computer did not understand the full image. Now, not your model, not your computer, they can't understand this image. They only know the 0 and 1 binary number 0 and 1, nothing else. For this image is put in a like image in image load in model, how it work. You can AI mode into Google. See how is the image work. Typically the lot the various sort like folder, database, publicly. Okay. The Python library below OpenCV cursor that processing lot format like this workload the image preparing matrix of number value. Every image pixel. It means this is your image. Just open it. There is the image. Just open a new tab. I'm opening. If you could see the image, how much you can zoom the image. there is a pixel in image. If you zoom the image, there is a pixel in every image. That pixel have a value. The model give you pixel value. There is the matrix number numerical value. Okay, value compares the pixel initial color compact. Every pixel have their color compact. Every pixel, if you more zoom, okay, in UI image pixel, what is that is just click here. Here is a demo. Pixel head. Okay. Just see the everything. Every image have any pixel and color demo. Let's show you color compact now. You can just see a color compact. This is the image color compact model. Every color compact have their own numerical value. There's 17 image pixel that show you a color compact. In the color compact, the numerical value in matrix it also converting the 0 and 1 by default. The default color image repeating action in 3D tensor everything. There is a process how you can image from count a variable side, but the model require a big number of sites like this. But in our model, you can see here is a model. You can see where is the model. Our camera management. Where is the model? Forget. Face detection. Oh, sorry, face detection. This is the model. Our size is a 640 pixel. 640 by 40 pixel. It's a normalized pixel and 0 is the ranging. Every range scales the score model and the range. Somewhere I can help a neural network. Means the image have a neural network. This 0 and 1. The range is 0 and 1 is a simple binary. Neural network also understand the binary and give you answer in binary and everything. The network conversion faster and avoid the issue related larger input variable training. For training and everything, you can search on YouTube and Google and YouTube. There is just so many explaining in detail how image is converted in a pixel, and every pixel have different type of, and every pixel demo everything. You can see in the image. If you search on YouTube, you can find a multiple thing for that. For it, this is the video of how can I explain you everything, every workflow. You can see a demo of this project and everything. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, now I want to show you what happening in next video. The demo of the project. Let's close this. No more in it. You can understand how it works, everything, and how the demo. You can see. If you like the contribute, you can contribute here. Before the start the project, how it works, and this is our next project video in the Rust workspace kit. Database, the configuration database. The project is not completed here, but I am working on it and make sure the project completes faster. In this project, I am just showing how role plus permission, routing protection, everything. Okay. Not only role-based system routing processor with the role and permission both comparing together in this project. Okay, let's see. This is our project and of this project. Thank you so much for watching this video. That is for today's video. I hope this live demo and detailed code walkthrough give you a clear understanding of this AI multi-camera face tracking system works for real-time detection to Telegram alone. If you want to explore or contribute, you can find the GitHub link in the description. Also, feel to join our developer community on Discord where we discuss projects like this, answer questions, and share ideas. The invite link is also in the description below. If you want to support my work, you can do so by me a coffee. It really helped me to keep this project and video coming. Link in the description. And one more thing, I'll show you my upcoming next video which project. If you excited for that, you can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel and notification bell icon for you never miss the next update. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy coding.